Hello, today we're going to talk about present continuous. This is also called present progressive. And why? Because it is a, it is referred to actions that are in progress. Yes? So we refer to actions that are in progress. Mm? So actions that are happening or that are taking place now or at the moment. This is the general use. Okay? So we're going to use present continuous whenever we talk about actions that are in progress, that are taking place now or at the moment. We can also, when talking about present continuous, we can also talk about actions that are happening around now, what we call around now. And what is this? Well, these are actions that are not taking place at the moment. For example, what are we doing at the moment? At the moment, yes, we are studying English. Okay? But maybe when talking about actions that are happening now, it is when, for example, if we say, what are you doing these days? Yes, what are you doing these days? A friend asks you, what are you doing these days? And we answer, well, I'm making an English course. Estoy haciendo un curso de inglés. I'm making an English course. Yes, so this doesn't mean that you now at this moment you are doing the course, but it means that these days, yes, these days you are making the course. So this is what is happening around now. Okay, so this is one of the uses of present continuous. Present continuous, well, we have actions that are in progress or taking place now or at the moment. For example, we are studying English now, at the moment, or actions that are happening around now. Yes? So, what are you doing these days? I'm making an English course. Okay? Well, another use maybe for temporary activities. Yes? temporary activities. For example, I'm an English teacher. This is a permanent state and it is expressed in the present simple. Yes? But if I say, I'm an English teacher. Yes? But these days, or this week, or maybe this month, I'm working as a secretary. Yes? But this month, for example, I'm working as a secretary. This is the temporary activity because it is only for this month. It's not a permanent action. Another use of the present continuous or present progressive is with future reference. With future reference. And in this case, we are not talking about official timetables or plans or maybe predictions or actions that we are actions, for example, promises or actions that we are that we decide at the moment or at or on the spot, but we are referring to what we call in English personal fixed arrangement. And what is the meaning of this? Especially this fixed. So, whenever we know that we have a situation or an activity, and we know, for example, we are sure, this means that we are sure, yes, I'm sure about it. Yes, I'm sure about this activity to happen. Okay? For example, if I say, I'm meeting my boss in Buenos Aires, next week. And this means that first we know that it is in Buenos Aires, we know that it is next week, maybe we know about the time. Yes, we are sure about the time. Yes, we are sure about the place. Yes, we already have the tickets to go to Buenos Aires. So we have everything fixed. Okay? So this is the most important thing. So in this case, as we said before, we are not talking about plans. No, this is not a plan. Yes, this is not connected with plans. No, this is connected with fixed arrangements. Okay, fixed arrangement. We are sure about this to happen. Okay, And, well, that's why whenever we talk about present continuous with future reference, we are talking about personal fixed arrangements. And, well, now we have the different uses of present continuous. Yes? Actions that are in progress or taking place at the moment or now or at the moment. Yes? Around now, which means en una hora cercano. Yes? Then temporary activities. Yes? Temporary activities or actions. And then present continuous or present progressive with future reference. Okay? And what about the structure of this tense? Well, in the case of the structure, this is easy because what we have is the verb to be as regards structure. We have verb to be, in the present form. Remember that we have three forms: am, is, are, plus the main verb with ing in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. For example, we say, they are listening to music now. Yes, they are listening to music now. Affirmative. Okay? Now, how can we make this sentence negative? We say, they aren't, so we're going to make negative the verb to be. So we're going to say, they aren't, ellos no están, they aren't listening. So we continue with ing in the negative form to music now. Negative form. Question. The verb to be comes to the front and we say, are they listening to music now? If the answer is positive, we say yes, they are. If it is negative, we're going to say no, they aren't. Well, and in this case, the different time expressions that we can have with present continuous are now, at the moment, this month, this week, these days. Okay? And with future reference, all the ones that have to do with the future. For example, tomorrow, next week, next month. Okay? Right? And what else? And remember, whenever we talk about the present simple, yes, the present simple, well, we are talking about permanent or regular activities or actions, but in this case, in the present continuous, we are talking about activities that are in progress. Activities that are in the present, but they are in progress. Okay? They are continuous actions. And they are taking place now, around now. Yes? They may be temporary, or they may be with reference to the future, but whenever we know and we are sure that they are happening. Okay? Well, I hope this is useful for you. Yes. Hope this is useful, and I hope you continue studying. So keep on studying English. Keep on studying English. Yes. And keep on practicing, keep on refreshing and recycling your English. Okay? Well, bye bye. So, see you.